Hey guys, Matt Smallbone with Forest River, Georgetown. I'm going to show you guys how all of these buttons up here on the dash operate and what they're used for. So up front, you're going to see this map light. So very simple to turn on and off your map lights, which are your overhead lights here in the cockpit. Really good if your passenger driver is reading a book, or if you're stopped and you need to check a map or need to read something, it's really simple to operate that. You will have fog lights, which are easy to access there too. So that'll be your in-front fog lights. Over here, you're going to have heated mirrors. So this actually turns on and off that mirror heat. So if you are somewhere where it's freezing out, you have some ice on those mirrors, it's nice because you can activate that mirror heat to take that ice off. You will also have a battery boost button here. So if you are at a campsite and your chassis battery drains down and you cannot get the engine to turn over, this battery boost will allow you to pull from your house batteries to your chassis battery. So that way you know that your chassis battery will have power to start up and get you out of your campsite. Next to it's going to be your radio button. So that's an off and on for the radio. You will have a shade button here as well. So that's going to be that front shade. Very simple to operate. You can bring it up. Just a press of a button. And then you can also bring it down too. If you do have the ignition on, the shade will only go down so far before it stops. And that's more for a sunshade. But once you turn that ignition off, that'll allow you to bring the shade more farther down. Next to that, you are going to have your LED lights, which are going to be your upward facing lights on the sides of the coach. That's really simple to operate as well too. That's more of a safety thing. If you are parking somewhere and you want to be seen, activate those LED lights and those will really brighten up the space up front. So like I said, Georgetown, very simple to operate, all of these buttons, and they all have a unique purpose.